Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the app and permissions. Now begin. Open SMS Forwarder and grant SMS and notification access so the app can read incoming texts. Next, pick your forwarding target: email for archives, webhook for automation, or another phone for live relay. Each choice affects delivery speed. Then create a basic rule. Select a sender, add a keyword if needed, and set a short delay. Once done, save the rule and run a quick test message to confirm the first forward works. Now you refine behavior. Open the rule and add a template that includes variables like sender and message so recipients see context. Set time filters to forward only during specific hours and enable retries with backoff to handle transient failures. If you chose a webhook, add required HTTP headers and authentication. If email, configure SMTP server, port, and from address. Once configured, run several test messages and watch the delivery log for errors or dropped messages to verify reliability. Finish by enabling persistent logs and optional failure alerts so you notice when forwarding stalls. Make sure battery optimization is off for the app and confirm network access and correct SMTP or webhook credentials. If forwarding fails, check permissions first, confirm notification and SMS read writes, then inspect the logs for the exact timestamp and error code. If needed, disable the rule momentarily, re-enter credentials, and retest a single message. One tip: restart the device if network tokens seem stale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.